morning children. So in this video we are going to see what are the steps involved in the crop production, what are the activities involved in the crop production. Okay, the first one is soil preparation, second one is sowing of seeds, and third one is adding manure and fertilizer. Fourth one is irrigation, fifth one is weeding and harvesting, storage. So these are the general activities involved in the crop production. Okay, in this activities, for your portion, what are involved means soil preparation, sowing of seeds, then adding manure, then harvesting. These only involved. So I am going to explain you that first step, soil preparation. Okay, so this is soil preparation is the first step in the crop production practice. For production for crops production, the first step is soil preparation. So we have to prepare the soil. Preparing means loosening. We have to loosening the top soil. So the loosen because the loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworm and soil microbes. So these the soil is prepared by some methods. First one is ploughing, second one is leveling, and third one is manuring. Okay, so in that crop production, the first step is soil preparation. The soil is prepared by or loosened by the following three methods: ploughing, leveling, and manuring. So ploughing means it is the process of loosening or turning the soil up and down. Okay, up and down to facilitate the availability of nutrients in the root zone of the cultivating crop. So this is ploughing. So these we can use some implements for ploughing. One is plough, hoe, cultivator. So you can read about that of plough, hoe and cultivator. The second method is leveling. Leveling means if the field is once ploughed means the topsoil is topsoil became loose. So the leveling of soil is done with an implement called leveler. Okay, leveler. The implement is called for leveling. The implement used is leveler. So it is a heavy wooden or iron plank. Okay, the third one is basal manuring. So manuring means adding manure to the soil. It is nothing but adding manure to the soil. Okay, the next one is second step is sowing of seeds. So sowing of seeds is the second step. So this is the sowing of seeds is the second step in crop production. So various methods are followed for sowing the seeds. First one is sowing by hand. So here sowing by hand means scattering of seeds. We can scatter the seeds by hand. This is the simplest method of sowing of seeds. So the second one is seed drill. Okay, seed drill. So it is the modern method. Seed drill is the modern method of sowing seeds. So it is an efficient method than sowing by hand. So it is usually done by attaching iron drills to a tractor. You can see the picture which is in book page number 79. So this is the second method. And third one is dibbling. Dibbling means it is the placement of seed material in a furrow predetermined spacing with the dibble, more commonly by hand. So you can see the picture. So soil around the hole is pressed with hand for moist soil contact. Okay, so this is the second method. And third is adding manure and fertilizer. So manure means the substances which added to the soil which give the nutrients to give the nutrients for the growth of plants. They are called manure and fertilizer. So from that the substances are having much nutrients. So that nutrients are help in the growing of plant. Okay, so this is the third step, adding manure. So irrigation is nothing but watering the plants. Okay, irrigation means watering the plants. So this is not involved for your portion ma. Only soil preparation, sowing of seeds, adding manure. So irrigation means next one is watering the plant. So water is the important for proper growth and development of plants. So irrigation methods. One is traditional method and another one is modern method. Modern method, sprinkler system is there, drip system is there, but you are not having these portions for you. Okay, so then the next one is weeding. Last one is harvesting of crops. Okay, so harvesting is nothing but cutting and gathering a crop is called harvesting. Okay, so here also different methods are used, manual harvesting and mechanical harvesting. So manual harvesting is the major method of harvesting which is in India. So in manual harvesting we are harvesting the crops without any tool, without using any tools. Okay, so this is manual harvesting. Mechanical method means we can use some instruments for harvest the crop. Okay, for harvesting the crop. So these are the general method, but in India we are using that manual harvesting only. Okay, so we have some post to harvest practices also there. First one is threshing and winnowing. So threshing means the process of separating the grains from their chuffs or pods is threshing, and winnowing means after that process threshing we can separate the grains from the chuffs. Okay, so winnowing is the process of separating the grains. So these are the steps involved in the crop production. So first one is soil, generally 7. Soil preparation, sowing of seeds, adding manure and fertilizer. Fourth one is irrigation, fifth one is weeding, and sixth one is harvesting, and seventh one is storage. So soil preparation, there are 3 methods. So ploughing, there are 3 implements we are using, plough, hoe, and some other one. So you can go and read. And the leveling, manuring, these are the methods involved in soil preparation. Then sowing of seeds by hand, seed drill and dibbling. Then adding manure, then irrigation means watering the plants, then weeding, harvesting. Okay, so you can you read. Okay, I sent you the link for completion of your classwork, so soon you complete the classwork. Okay ma, thank you.